In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share documents on Microsoft Teams meeting. If you've ever needed to hand out an agenda, slides, or a reference file during a meeting, this walkthrough will show you the simplest, most reliable way to do it so everyone can access the document right away and find it later. We'll use the Teams web experience for clarity, but the flow is very similar in the desktop app. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Teams meeting site. If you're prompted to sign in, use your work, school, or personal account to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the main Teams interface. Next, look for Calendar on the left side. Click it to view your schedule. This shows all your upcoming and past meetings in one place, which makes it easy to select the right one. If you don't immediately see Calendar, make sure the navigation pane is expanded or that you're on the correct account. Now find and click the Microsoft Teams meeting where you want to share the document. You can choose a meeting that's currently in progress or one that's scheduled for later. Posting your file ahead of time is a great way to ensure participants have it ready before the discussion begins. If the meeting is live, you can join it, but you can also share documents from the meeting details screen without joining. Inside the meeting details, open the meeting chat. This is the central space where messages, links, and files for that specific meeting live. Anything you share here will be visible to the meeting's participants and will remain attached to the meeting conversation for easy reference after it ends. It's a good practice to keep discussion and files here so everything stays organized. With the chat open, click the Attach File icon, typically shown as a paperclip. You can choose a file from your computer or pick one from your organization's cloud storage, depending on what your account allows. Select your document, confirm the upload, and wait for it to finish. Before you hit send, consider adding a short note so people know what the file is, why it matters, and if there's a specific page or section to review. Once sent, participants can open or download it immediately. If you run into permission prompts for guests or external attendees, you may need to adjust sharing settings or provide a link with the right access. Large files can take a bit longer to upload, so give it a moment and try a smaller version if needed. That's it. Go to Teams, open Calendar, select your meeting, open the meeting chat, and attach your file. You'll keep your documents organized, accessible, and ready when your team needs them.